The greatest victories often follow the darkest defeats. If you're watching this, you're ready for change, ready to transform your life. It's time to stop talking and start acting. Silence the noise, shut down the distractions, and focus on what truly matters. Welcome to Elevate Your Life, your go-to destination for personal growth, productivity, and self-development. Our channel is dedicated to helping you unlock your full potential and live a more fulfilling, purposeful life. This is your apology to yourself for all the wasted time and missed opportunities. It's time to make the greatest comeback of your life. Feeling sick and tired of mediocrity? Good. You've had enough of being average. It's time for the 2.0 version of yourself to emerge, the version that embraces fear and charges forward. No more excuses, no more procrastination. I want to hear from you in the comments below. What's the first goal you're going to attack? Share your targets and let's support each other in this journey of transformation. Remember, this channel isn't just about watching changes, it's about making them. It's time to attack your goals relentlessly. For too long, you've indulged in escapism, avoiding your dreams out of fear. You talked about your ambitions but never acted. But today, something inside you snaps. Enough is enough. Are you going to spend your life regretting inaction? Or are you going to endure the pain of hard work and feel the triumph of accomplishment? To make the greatest comeback, you need to disappear from the distractions and dedicate a few months to self-improvement. Focus on a single goal with unwavering determination. Like a warrior training for battle, you must be ready to face every challenge head-on. The foundation of your comeback is a powerful routine. Start your day early and tackle the hardest tasks first. Winning in the morning means winning the day, and winning consistently means winning in life. Consistency breeds confidence. Begin your day with activities that push your limits, an ice bath, a rigorous workout. These challenges set the tone for a day of productivity and confidence. Now, pause for a moment and type in the comments. What's one discipline you pledge to start tomorrow? Whether it's waking up early or setting a daily workout, let's declare it together right here. Take a page from experts like Andrew Huberman. Get sunlight first thing in the morning, hydrate, and delay caffeine for about 90 minutes after waking. Engage in challenging activities before breakfast. This routine sharpens your mind and body, setting you up for a successful day. Embrace tasks that scare you. Overcoming fear builds immense self-confidence. Find your hardest challenge and conquer it daily. This practice will make you fearless and unstoppable. Upgrade your knowledge. Read books and listen to podcasts that provide valuable insights. Continuous learning is essential for growth. Avoid procrastination by cutting out cheap dopamine sources. Focus on rewarding tasks that provide genuine satisfaction. Discipline is your cornerstone. Commit to your goals and follow through. Whether it's hitting the gym or mastering a new skill, consistency is key. Remember, how you do anything is how you do everything. Finally, evolve your mindset. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Take calculated risks to propel yourself towards your desired future. Successful people use their past struggles as fuel for their success, and you can too. This is your comeback story. Use every obstacle as a stepping stone, and remember, your greatest achievement is just on the other side of your hardest challenge. Embrace the journey, stay disciplined, and make the greatest comeback of your life. If this video ignited a spark in you, hit that like button and subscribe for more empowering content. We're on this journey together, and your stories of triumph can inspire all of us. Share your comeback experiences in the comments below. Let's celebrate our victories and support each other's growth. Thanks for watching, and remember, every step you take is part of your greatest comeback. Catch you in the next video.